Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Bee with the Beehive. We are always looking at different ways for organization, and we did find a really good one that we'd like to talk about. It is a Visor Organizer. Really easy install, wonderful. You can put tons of great stuff in there. So come on around and I'll show you all about it. So this is the Visor Organizer that we got. I use each one a little bit different. I keep my stans in one, so here my little stans sit in here. I've got a little extra cash or anything, sometimes I like to have some cash. I keep cash in one. My little badges, I work at an airport, so I actually have a gate card, so I keep that here. I keep my registration, you never know when you're gonna get pulled over. They have some little things for flashlights, pens, which I keep a pen in my other one. And then when we first put it on, I was like, oh man, I don't like it. I can't get to the mirror. And of course, my husband was like, of course you can. So you can get to the mirror, full use of the mirror. And it has an extra pouch here, which might be good for, small eyeglasses, chapstick, whichever you're gonna keep. But the cool thing is when you flip it here, you have the MOLLE panel. You can actually clip things to it. They're all able to get to all of them. It has a zipper pouch. I keep some stuff in there, little sentimental items. Things that I like to have. There's a little piece in here for maybe your driver's license, and the cool part is you still have access to your garage door opener. Would you like to see the passenger side? Go around and take a look. On the passenger side, it has that same MOLLE pack. It's got some extra little cubicle for little holders. Has a little clip. I tend to leave this side empty. I let the passenger be able to use it for when we go on off-road trips or anything. Same concept here. I've got a pen for what I need it for. I keep my little badges, another little pouch. They can still access their mirror really easily. They still have the same kind of pouches and holders that I have on my side. It's nice for when, especially people who have glasses or anything, they're easily to be able to put them into these holders for when we're off-roading or switching glasses to sunglasses. It's a nice place to keep them. Has no restricted movement. Everything fits nicely. It's made by QMparts, is where we got it. It is a great addition to Vader. We got it from a company called QMparts, and I gotta tell you guys, the installation is super easy. It comes with a piece of paper. Really, really easy to do. Brian did one for me, I did the other. We have a discount code that they gave us, and I'm really skeptical whenever a company gives us something and offers a discount code. But I gotta tell you, I really like the product. It's really well made. The discount's gonna save you 10%. It's not a commission, it's just the savings go 100% to you. It's really, really worth checking out. It's under $40 for the pair, so it's really affordable. I like to be organized. I like to have my stuff where I can quickly get to it, and this is a great solution. QMparts. Check in the subscription down below for the 10% discount code. I'm liking it. Like and subscribe for more videos.